learn English conversation at a doctor in just 2 minutes. Hello, friends. Today I am going to discuss the topic at a doctor using present, past, and future tense. Patient, good morning, doctor. Doctor, good morning. What is your problem? Patient, I have a fever and headache. Doctor, since when do you have it? Patient, since yesterday. Doctor, do you have a cough? Patient, yes, I do. Doctor, take this medicine and take rest. Patient, thank you, doctor. Doctor, you are welcome. Past tense. Patient, good morning, doctor. Doctor, good morning. What was your problem? Patient, I had a fever and headache. Doctor, since when did you have it? Patient, since yesterday. Doctor, did you have a cough? Patient, yes, I did. Doctor, I gave you medicine. Patient, thank you, doctor. Future tense. Patient, good morning, doctor. Doctor, good morning. What will be your problem? Patient, I will have a fever and headache. Doctor, since when will you have it? Patient, yes, I will. Doctor, you will feel better soon. Patient, thank you, doctor. Want to speak English confidently? Then subscribe now and stay with me. Don't miss the next video. Thank you.